How can I convert an RGB image into grayscale in Python? I'm trying to use matplotlib to read in an RGB image and convert it to grayscale. In MATLAB I use this. In the matplotlib tutorial they don't cover it. They just read in the image. And then they slice the array, but that's not the same thing as converting RGB to grayscale from what I understand. I find it hard to believe that NumPy or matplotlib doesn't have a built-in function to convert from RGB to gray. Isn't this a common operation in image processing? I wrote a very simple function that works with the image imported using mread in 5 minutes. It's horribly inefficient, but that's why I was hoping for a professional implementation built in. Sebastian has improved my function, but I'm still hoping to find the built-in one. MATLABs, NTSC/PAL, implementation.
How about doing it with Pillow? If an alpha transparency channel is present in the input image and should be preserved, use mode law. Using matplotlib and the formula, you could do
You can also use scikit-image, which provides some functions to convert an image into gray, like RGB to gray. Notes: the weights used in this conversion are calibrated for contemporary CRT phosphors. Y equals 0.2125 or plus 0.7154 grams plus 0.0721 B. Alternatively, you can read image in grayscale by
Three of the suggested methods were tested for speed with 1000 of the ping images, 224 by 256 pixels, running with Python 3.5 on Ubuntu 16.0, 4 LTS, Xeon E5 2670 with SSD. Average run times: PIL column 1.037 seconds, SciPy column 1.040 seconds, SK column 2.120 seconds. PIL and SciPy gave identical NumPy arrays, ranging from 0 to 255. Skimage gives arrays from 0 to 1. In addition, the colors are converted slightly different. See the example from the CUP 200 dataset. Skimage column, PIL column, SciPy column, original column, div column, code, performance. Output. Comparison. Imports. Versions.
You can always read the image file as grayscale right from the beginning using imread from OpenCV. Furthermore, in case you want to read the image as RGB, do some processing and then convert to grayscale, you could use Cake Color from OpenCV.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.